vine-covered hills, the River Rhine, and a picturesque view. There is little to suggest that a vintage marvel of engineering is slumbering here. It dates way back to the 1950s, the days of Germany's economic miracle. Experts from Jungheinrich are looking for clues in their search for what is known as a Retrak.
Also ich hoffe auf ein...
Well, I'm hoping to find a kind of antique that's still in good condition, in the right color,
richtigen Farbe.
That'd be really important.
with the right type plate on it, and in good enough condition that it's something we can work with.
Viel damit anfangen können.
It's been said that this estate has the oldest reach truck in Europe, perhaps even in the world. The lead came from the owner's grandson.
Ja, der Stapler da.
Yeah, the forklift has a long history actually. It came from my grandfather's vineyard, and we had it in heavy use for so long that it had to be replaced by a newer forklift at some point.
Gesetzt werden.
For the experts from Jungheinrich, this is more than just a forklift. It's an important piece of the company's history. With Retrak, Jungheinrich brought the reach truck concept back to Europe. Over 65 years ago, when at a standstill, the vehicle can extend and retract its mast. It was revolutionary for warehousing work. The reach truck turns into the backbone of the company. Still today, Jungheinrich continues to be one of the leading providers in this segment. To find one of the first Retraks after so many decades, that would be a sensation.
Die Spannung steigt.
You can feel the excitement. Oh, I can see the forks. Wow, crazy, that's great. There it is, folks.
Wahnsinn.
Crazy.
Indeed, a Retrak from the first production series.
Vorwärts, rückwärts.
Forward and reverse.
Und dann noch hier ganz wichtig die...
That's right. Oh, and this is important. It still has the horn from back then. It has everything it's supposed to have.
Was haben wir denn
Hoch
hier
kann der
eigentlich
heben?
How high can it reach?
auch gerade rauszufinden?
That's what I'm trying to find out now. That's 1,000 kilos.
1000 Kilo auf...
Habe ich noch nie gesehen.
I've never seen anything like it. It's quite an antique. Really nice. Really, really nice.
Wirklich, richtig schön. Also schön wäre
It'd be nice if we could get it running again. Get it out from its corner here and drive around with it.
auch damit fahren. Wir werden das Gerät jetzt versuchen,
We're going to try to move the machine now, give it another look over, and then decide how to proceed.
dann entscheiden, wie wir weiter vorgehen.
Das ist halt so ein Familienerbstück.
Yeah, it's a family heirloom. And as a young boy at the vineyard, you grow up with this kind of stuff. And so the first attempts at driving a forklift were on it back then with my grandfather. Grandpa is 93 now, and really happy to see a use being found for the forklift and that it's not just being submitted to oblivion.
Ja, verschwindet, ja.
The battery is dead, and in general, the forklift is in poor condition. More than 65 years of hard work will leave a mark.
Fährt sich nicht wie ein neuer, knarzt.
Doesn't drive like new, it's groaning like the oldie it is.
Richtig Handarbeit,
It takes a lot of muscle,
aber es ist schön,
but it's nice to see it rolling again.
ihn wieder rollen zu sehen.
This vintage machine is going on a trip. There, they'll determine whether the vehicle can be salvaged.